passengers of Nyköping Skavsta. For your safety and the safety of the passengers around you, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off for you. Please be careful when opening overhead lockers so items of your carry-on luggage will not fall down and cause any injuries. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you have reached the smoking area while inside the terminal building. For those of you who wish to rent the car, riders please direct when turns. Current our cards and partners offer great discounts to all rider passengers. For further information about hotel accommodation and new routes from Stockholm Skavsta or guaranteed low fares, please visit us at Ryanair.com. So finally, on behalf of your captain, first officer, and especially our crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us today. It was certainly our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you soon on another scheduled service. And from all of us who wish you a pleasant stay in the Nyköping area or a safe onwards journey. Thank you very much and have a very nice afternoon. And ladies and gentlemen, as we'll be connecting to some ground